Good morning, children. Welcome to our online classes by Shilpa Patil from Little Scholars Public School. Today we are going to continue our 7th chapter, India during the Maurya period, part 4. This is the last video of this chapter, and from this chapter we are going to learn about art and literature. During the period of Emperor Ashoka, the art of rock cut sculptures was promoted. Rock cut sculptures like this were promoted. The pillars erected by Ashoka are excellent specimens of Indian sculpture. As we have seen, different places Ashoka erected these kinds of pillars, and these pillars inscription had been written, and these are in Brahmi script and Sanskrit language. There are excellent carvings of animals like the lion, elephant and bull on these pillars. Here you can see 3 of the animals. The chakra or wheel on the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath has a place of honor on the Indian national flag. This chakra you can see there are 3 parts we can make here of this land capital or the capital at Sarnath. It is capital lion figure. This is the figure abacus. This is the abacus, and this is the base. The base is just like a lotus flower. As I told you, children, the chakra and the wheel, it has a place of honor on the Indian national flag. This is the Indian national flag, and you can see that chakra on our Indian national flag. The pillars has lions on all 4 sides, but only 3 are visible from the front. Here you can see the lion capital erected by Ashoka at Sarnath in Madhya Pradesh. It is has become the national emblem of Republic India. All the coins and currency notes of modern India have a 4 lion symbol on it. It is the same symbol. The actual lion capital of Sarnath is like this, and we adopted, the government of India adopted emblem after the modification. Only this lotus or the bell is not there on our national emblem. This is the official seal of Government of India. This is the main official seal of Government of India. The cave sculptures at Barabar Hills carved during the period of Ashoka are well known. These are the caves at Barabar Hills. This is the interior or inside cave, and outside it, as I showed you. These hills are the oldest sculptures in India, and it is in Bihar. After the death of Emperor Ashoka, the Maurya Empire began to decline after the Mauryas. Many new states and some empires also emerged in India. The Maurya Empire was the largest empire in ancient India. In the next chapter, we shall discuss the political and cultural happenings in the post-Maurya period. Thank you for watching this video, children. I hope all of you understand. This is our national seal of our India. Thank you very much for watching this.